What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be showing you that I now have 1,000 books published on Amazon KDP. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want step-by-step instructions on everything when it comes to low content books, then check out that link in the description down below or go to printingprofits.com with no G, and this will get you started making passive income selling low content books. Let's head on over to my KDP back office and take a look at all my books published. Now I've been doing this for about 4 months now, so not really that long. If you've seen a previous video, I've already earned over $5,000 in royalties completely passive selling low content books. Now let's scroll down. I am going to blur out my designs so you can't see them, but if we scroll right down to the bottom, now there's 10 books to a page and there's 100 pages, so I now have over 1,000 books published, which is completely crazy. I still can't believe I have 1,000 books published over on Amazon KDP. Now like I said, that 1,000 books have equated to over $5,000 in royalties and completely passive. Well, I say completely passive in the sense that I don't have to ship anything, I don't have to talk to customers. Once I've created the book and uploaded it to Amazon and it sells, Amazon takes care of everything and just sends me royalties. That's why I absolutely love this business model. Now don't be looking at my books and thinking, oh my god, he has 1,000, I need to get up 1,000 books as well. Well, it doesn't really work like that. You might have 100 books and make more money than me. It all comes down to the niches you go after, the types of books you create, and your designs. Now me, I'm not a designer, so I have quite a lot of books. And if you've seen my my video about my strategy, you'll understand why I'm publishing so many books. I want all these different types of books in all these different niches, all ranked in different places, bringing me in that sustainable passive income. Now let's head on over to AK Report to have a look at some data. This is for the month to date, so this is just for March, and you can see some days are better than others. So even though I have 1,000 books published, I do get days like here where I only sell a handful. I think that was about 4 books. So let's just change that to units for a second. 6 books on that day, 6 books on that day, and only 7 on that day, considering I have I have over 1,000 books. It says nothing there. That's strange because I haven't actually gone a day without selling. But let's go back to revenue and we can see just here. So yesterday, this video is recorded in advance, so this isn't quite yesterday now, more like the other day, but I was so close to hitting that $100 in a day. As you can see, it was $99. The previous day before that, 45, 24, 43, 83, 93, 59, 50. So I range anywhere from $20 to $100 on my good days. Now everything that I have done to get these results I lay out step by step in the Printing Profits course. So if you're interested in that, you can get there by hitting the link in the description below or going to printingprofits.com with no G. Now with the course I do offer support as well. If you've purchased the course and you're not making as many sales as you like, you can always message me and I will take a look at your books and tell you where you can improve. We also have the private Printing Profits group. This is specifically for students where you can ask questions, and we have a private chat as well. Now with the course, I am actually making more content, more videos, some over-the-shoulder trainings. I've recently just done one teaching you how to make these beautiful, amazing patterns that look really good on books, and you don't need any design skills. So let me just scroll down, see if I can find it. Keep scrolling. I know it's here somewhere. Just here. So I teach in one of the over-the-shoulder trainings on how to make patterns like these. You don't need any design skills. We can do it completely for free, and they only take a few minutes to create. And as you can see, they look really good. Now you can also come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. If you haven't got started with low content books yet, you can join here, come and ask questions. I'm really active in the group as well. I'm always helping you out if you have any problems. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, you can always send me a message through Facebook. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.